Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So today we do a review on this fab, also known as First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal Mask, and let's go ahead and talk about the packaging. I like it a lot. Everything is actually really easy to read and understand. So one at the back right here, it has directions listed out. It also has the ingredients listed for you guys, and for those of you guys who have been watching me, or actually who have watched my previous video reviews on this brand fab, know that I'm actually a huge fan of it. I've been using this brand for over 2 years now, and their products are simply amazing. And I have combination skin, so I have like a sensitive, and I have an oily T-zone, and I have like some like dry spots around my face. Yes, I know, I'm just like all over the place. So especially I live here in like the LA area, and the weather can actually get really crazy. Like some days it'll just be like literally so hot, and then some days it'll get like so cold, and then my skin has like a really hard time like adjusting it, because one day it's hot, one day it's like cold, and then it's just like my skin's just going a little bit crazy. And I have been trying so many products, and this oatmeal mask has been a major help, especially with like the weather changes that has been happening. And so as for this oatmeal mask, it has helped with my stressed skin. Yes, skin can actually get stressed, and when it gets stressed, it gets dry, and no matter how much stuff you put on your face, like that dry patch or like that dry area spot just will not go away. And with oatmeal mask, it definitely has helped a lot with the dryness. So usually what I can do, I can go ahead and start with a nice fresh clean wash face, and I'm going to take some product and I'll go ahead and apply it to my face. And when you go ahead and like squeeze it out, you wouldn't really expect like bits and pieces of oatmeal to actually come out from here. It actually does going to come out, so your face probably is going to look a little bit, I guess, crazy slash weird, because you do have like clumps of like literally like oatmeal on your face. I know it doesn't really look that nice, don't look that pretty, but then when you go ahead and leave this on for 10 minutes and you go ahead and wash it off. And what I noticed is that especially with this oatmeal mask, it does go ahead and take some time to wash off, because since it is like a thick mask, usually compared to like other masks I have tried and use, like they're really thin, you just apply it on, you just wash off so easy. But for this one, it does go ahead and take a little bit more time and effort and like more water to go and like massage your face. And then after that, you just go apply your face dry and then continue on with like your skincare routine, or with whatever makeup or whatever you guys do to your face. So I have to say, after trying and using this oatmeal mask, I am absolutely in love. I definitely go ahead and include this in my skincare routine, since it has done so much wonders. It definitely has saved my skin from being stressed. And I definitely will go ahead and try out more products and more skincare stuff, especially from this line. So if any of you guys have any recommendations, especially what I should go ahead and try out next from this line, or if there's anything or any masks that I should go ahead and try out, especially for like the winter slash fall season, especially here in LA, because you know we a little bit crazy in LA here, you know. So anyways, aside from that, if any of you guys are thinking about going and giving this a try, I would actually highly recommend this, especially if you have like really like dry skin, and if you're trying to like save your skin from like the cold. Okay, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.